What's up? So I'm about to make this black lemonade without charcoal, whatever it is, I don't know. And I couldn't find the liquid food coloring, so we're just gonna go with gel food coloring and try to turn this lemonade into black lemonade from Billie Eilish's music video, When the Party Is Over. Let's do it.
The first thing you're gonna need is red, green, and blue food coloring. Next, you can get some lemonade. Use whichever one you like. Then just get your cup and start filling it up and mix everything together.
Oh my god, it's so cool. You're kidding me, bro.
So that one took like no time at all. So like, let's do the video. Let's do the video. I cannot drink all this. I'm such a failure.
So next we're gonna make Bella's first drink of blood, and you're gonna need some cocoa powder, corn syrup, and red food coloring. Then grab your bowl and mix everything together, first doing the corn syrup and the cocoa powder until it becomes a creamy consistency. I would get it to the color that you like the most. This is what I liked just for the purpose of the video. It was kind of bitter tasting, but I expected that just because of the unsweetened cocoa powder. You're also going to want to water it down a little bit just so you can add more to the cup.
Make it a little easier to take.
Tastes good.
So lastly, I just want to show you guys a different recipe for the blood if you don't like a bitter taste. So you could just use lemonade and the the red food coloring, and put that together with some blue food coloring to make it a little darker, and you've got yourself some good tasting blood.